In a land of whirring gears and twinkling lights lived Gozy, a robot like no other. Gozy wasn't just any robot. Gozy was a kaleidoscope of colors. One arm was bright cherry red, the other sunny lemon yellow. Their legs were a splash of sky blue and grassy green, and their chest glowed with a shimmering, iridescent purple. Gozy loved to whir and click and zoom, but sometimes, when things got tricky, Gozy would just stop. Their lights would dim, and they'd just sit there, a beautiful, colorful statue. One sparkling morning, the Grand Inventor Bot, a wise old robot with gears that hummed like a contented cat, announced a thrilling competition, the Great Rainbow Race. The goal wasn't just to be the fastest, but to build the most magnificent, whirring, clicking, light-up vehicle all by yourself, then race it across the twisty-turny track. The winner would get the legendary Sparkle Core, a crystal that made any invention glow with pure joy. Gozy's internal circuits buzzed with excitement. Oh, a vehicle! And a race! I want to win the Sparkle Core! Gozy rushed to their workshop, a room filled with shiny bolts, bendy wires, and glimmering panels. They picked up a big, chunky wheel. This will be the best wheel ever! Please like, share and subscribe. Bye!